Actually in here, in the I don't know what you call this. It's quite different. Anyway, there's a lot more SDR stuff in here. I keep getting this thing that will pop up here. So RTL SDR SAT helper. So yeah, there's lots of stuff. So we have the SDR Angel, the GQRX, Cubic SDR, a couple of other ones, Qt SDR. There's a one called RTL SDR. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install a bunch of them and just see what happens. I kind of like the Ubuntu setup a little bit better, just because I've been using it for a while, and because I forgot, like, this system here is pretty different. Like, you got like this kind of Windows sort of thing, but it's actually, I think it's easier in Ubuntu because it's not set up like Windows. So you just go in and get this big page that has everything. So actually, I don't think I'm a fan of this already. But like, let's just click on something and just see what it looks like when we go system, nothing. Okay. Settings. I don't know. It seems like I probably got too much going on and it doesn't want to do anything. I did flip the economy switch, the eco switch on here, but apparently that's probably not doing anything. So it's probably time to try a different motherboard. But this thing's going, and I clicked on a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna sit here and wait a while for it to install. I do like how it puts this down here instead of like up there on Ubuntu, but you know, it doesn't really matter. But this is definitely kind of more of a Windows type of layout. So we have system settings, discover, Dolphin, file manager. I don't know why they gave all like these weird names to everything. So yeah, if you want like applications or something, then you got to go into here to either Arc, which is complicated. I don't remember how to use it. Discover. This was like, I remember the Synaptic Package Manager and all that other stuff, and there was like Synaptic Universe, and then Multiverse, and just all this like really weird stuff. So like, I think these things are already on here. Not really sure, but anyway, it's cool, but I don't know if I care for it or not. We'll give it a go for a little while and see how it does. There's a real pain. I don't know how many hours, probably about 10 hours or something like that, just to get this damn thing going. It's just one thing after another. Anyway, I don't know what this thing called Kate is. Advanced text editor. I do remember seeing that before. And then they've got their own like internet thing, multimedia, office. Yeah, I remember these type of things, but it usually was like, oh, and then we have console with a K. It's like, can we just like keep things simple? Okay, info center. Let's see what that pulls up. We have Intel 2 processors, Core 2 Duo, and we have 15.6 gigabytes of RAM. Not sure what it's doing with the other 0.4. Okay, so let me get a system monitor. Okay, energy. Let's see what it does. So, a lot of CPU being used. Kind of a weird deal here. Devices. So we can look at, well, what's on here. TCI, host bridge, chipset, interrupts, firmware, warning. Huh, all kinds of stuff. Intel boot guard. Alright, so let's see, what does this thing say? Our architecture, x86, 64, 32-bit 64, address size, blah blah blah. Just a bunch of stuff. So anyway, we'll go ahead and close that thing out. So it's working, guys. I got it working. I don't know if I like it, but we'll see. And then, good Lord, I have no idea what I got to do all over again to do SDR play. Maybe go into here and like actually get the browser open and download SDR play. And then I think I know how to do it. Let me just try this real quick. SDR play. I'll go ahead and film. All right, so we're on the SDR play website. The thing we can get is the SDR Connect, and then it kind of have a video here how to do it. I'm going to show you guys how I do it though, if it works on this one. So we're just going to, oh geez. I think probably this one will work. So once this finishes downloading, I'll let you know. Okay, so now it's finished downloading. We need to open up our folder, and we're gonna go in here, and we're in the folder. Let's right click it. We'll go to properties, and you see permissions. Click is executable. Click OK, and then now I don't know if we can just click run in console or not. Okay, so I think we can. Okay, press return. Okay. Press the spacebar to continue. Okay, you have to agree to all their stuff. Then yes. Okay. So it's a little bit trickier. I don't know what the hell. Why can't we just have like the same stuff? I don't understand it. I think that, you know, I mean, it is similar, but like what the thing is I've never liked about you will be prompted for your password for sudo root access. Okay. I don't like how just even like two similar Linuxes like Kubuntu and Ubuntu, you know, just a different desktop interface, and all of a sudden, like, you know, things are completely different. So, okay, so now what do I got to do? Just enter my password. Okay. Okay, installing SDR Connect files by default will be installed. This path can be added. Click enter. To continue the installation, press Y and return. Create a menu entry. Y. Yes. Okay. So it says it's finished. So now we'll go in here and see if we have it under applications, I guess. Oh, where these aren't applications. Where the hell are they? Okay. RS. I don't see it, so I'm wondering where it'll be. Let's go ahead and okay. All right, so I think we're good. So I just need to go here, all applications. Well, this needs to be closed out. So this thing is like buried in some file, Kubuntu 2404 OPT, whatever the hell that is. And I tried to like make a copy of it. I don't know if it's actually going to work. Man, I've got these stupid crickets out here. So that was the executable file. Okay, so let me see if we got some sound here. Looks like it. Let's see. I'm so tired of hearing crickets. I got one that was like up in the wall here from up there, and it gets them underneath the siding. They're just everywhere. They're just obnoxious. It wouldn't be so bad if they weren't so loud, but they're just really loud. Oh, I disconnected my antenna. Hold on. I actually think that cricket's probably in here. So, from what I had to do to find this application, it really pisses me off. It was ridiculous. And, oh, I forgot that I didn't have the radio hooked up without the radio hooked up. I swear that cricket's got to be right in here. They definitely get in here. Oh yeah, it's in here. I can hear it. If it's not, then it's like really close. These things, they drive me up the wall. I really wish that they didn't bother me because we have a lot of them here. And they're like really, really bad. Yeah, it's in here somewhere. Oh well. What are you gonna do, right? Anyway, like I was saying, I don't really care for this at all. Let's see what we got here. Boy, that thing's just chirping away. Volume.
Right? And my first experience was the brand new one, as I told you before, right out of the box, with a single sideband.
I mean, I guess we could make this work, but
I noticed the radio was stable. It wasn't a college, but it was stable. The only thing I noticed about the radio, and the radio was in a cabinet, the pretty cabinet that they made in those days for that radio. It wasn't rack mounted, but
so
I did notice it was sensitive.
I don't know where this file is.
It was in service only for the countdown frequency for the nuclear test detonation. But it sure got my attention, the pretty colors and how the dial would spin and all that type of thing. You know how it is, you got to play with them. And I'm sure that if all you do with that radio is listen to the AM broadcast band, it's going to be fun. And I know you're going to enjoy it because it's been a labor of love. And I would suggest that rather than you to take care of Maryland, I'd get one of these coffee makers that you can set a timer and it comes on by itself. And maybe you need to get one for yourself down in the basement because you may wind up living down there. K4 that to K4 KZ5BW7HB.
Okay, let's close this out and let's see if our link works. I don't think it will, because I remember there's like, you got to do a bunch of really weird stuff usually to get links and shortcuts to work in Ubuntu or any kind of Linux. Yeah, it just does this. It's ridiculous. Okay. So something so simple like creating a shortcut on your desktop or adding the thing to the taskbar, add widgets. Oh, cool. Anyway, I'm not going to get into all that. So now I have to figure out where the hell is my stupid thing at? It says opt, whatever the hell that is. Basically, you have to type /opt/SDR connect down here in this, and then it'll open up this. And I have no idea why. And then that will open it up. So there you guys go. I don't like this. I'm getting rid of it. I'm done with it.